Some people say that I am a Traxxas fanboy. I would say that I am an RC fanboy. Got a new toy! And in this video we're going to unbox it, play with it, durability test it, and see if it's any good. Oh, check it out, guys. Subscribe and smash the bell. Look, only 33% of you guys watching are subscribers. And all you gotta do is click on there and smash the little bell so you stay notified. And guys, it's completely free. And you're gonna see a whole load of cool stuff like the Project 200-mile-an-hour RC car, the Project long jump winning car, giant RC cars. So if you're not subscribed, you're gonna miss it. Also, give us a thumbs up if you're awesome and a thumbs down if you suck. Well, that's enough waffling. Let's check out the truck. And guys, check it out. It looks absolutely epic. So guys, it does all look super heavy duty, and this is actually based on the Kraton 8S. And this one actually had a couple of weaknesses. The chassis bent on the very first jump. Oh, the rear arm seems super fragile. Oh! And I've bent a few shock shafts. So hopefully on this one, they fix those issues. So the chassis's got some extra supports in there. They've made this top brace here in actually two sections because on that one, that bent really easily. And although the chassis looks to be like exactly the same design as the 8S Kraton one that bent, with this being shorter and the added braces, maybe it's going to be okay. If not, I've got this M2C Crusher chassis that I could put on there later on. But this one is actually a tiny bit longer. So if we line that chassis up there, as we come to the back here, look, the M2C chassis is ever so slightly longer. But this is super durable and you're really going to have a tough time trying to bend this one. It also comes with a DX3 Spectrum controller, so we're going to see how good that is. But I'm not going to bore you with all the techno babble, so if you want to know where you can get one from and you want to know all the specifications, I'm going to put a link to all of that down below. Now, to run this to its full potential, you're going to need two 4S lipos, and I've got these Turnigy Rapids here. Hopefully they're going to have loads of power and they fit in there perfectly. So there's going to be a link down below where you can get these from. Also, you're going to need 4 AA batteries for the controller. Now, I run most of my RC cars on these XT90 connectors. Luckily, these batteries come with them already installed. But the car comes with these EC5s and they're not going to fit, so we're going to have to cut these off and change them. And that will probably void your warranty, but I don't care. And if you care, then you're going to have to get some batteries with EC5 connectors or get some adapters. So size-wise, it is quite a beast. So that one here is an Outcast 4S, that's an Outcast 6S, this one the new 8S. And here it is compared to the Kraton 8S, which is kind of the same size, but the Kraton does have a slightly longer wheelbase. So that's going to make it more stable and easier to jump, whereas this one here is going to be better for all your stunts. So which one is best is probably going to come down to your own personal preference. So here it is compared to the X-Maxx, so it's slightly shorter wheelbase. We're looking at roughly the same height, but it is a bit wider. Maybe the X-Maxx is a little bit taller. Now the X-Maxx is my favourite all-round bashing RC car, and a lot of people say, could this be a match? And we're going to find out. Now, compared to the mighty Raminator, it is actually quite tiny. That's what she said. Now, it says on here that it's a 1/5 scale, and this one here is also a 5th scale, so somebody is telling porkies. So out of the box, the Kraton 8S was actually a little bit on the slow side. So I put on a big opinion, a 23 tooth one, and that one really sped it up. But the Outcast 8S actually comes with a 23 tooth pinion in the box. So I'm just going to go ahead and chuck that on there right away. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to solder on the connections and then we're going to take it out. Waffle, waffle, waffle.
Kev, you've got to wrench your own materials here.
Ah, shocking, isn't it, eh?
Yeah.
Right, it's got the ugga dugger. Meep, 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 meep. There you got steering.
I'm a tough.
Here we go. Standing backflip. No. Oh, Martin's off. Oh, and he lands it nice. Oh my God, guys. There's a long jump and they've moved it. It used to be about there somewhere. So we got all that run up, all the way from down there, all the way along there. We're going to be hitting this flat out.
Whoa.
I love it. Oh! Nice. Oh, we saved it. So far, the chassis is still looking perfectly straight. Oh no, he's not jumping out, is he? Oh no, poor thing. He's going to the moon. Oh, there we go, techno. All right, guys, we're going to hit this jump flat out and hope for the best. All right, here we go, flat out.
I'm a tough.
And she takes it.
I'm a tough.
Oh my tough. She took it well. Chassis ready? Da 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 da. She's actually looking perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh no, that's all right. That probably just got shaved on a bit of metal somewhere.
Balloonage.
What the old shock shafts like? Perfect. Have they put better shafts in there or something?
They might have made them a mil thicker.
That took it really well.
So maybe Armour made a good fifth scale.
Yeah, they did make a good one this time. Oh, X-Maxx. Is that Ian? No, 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 no! Another new body.
I didn't think it would be.
Ah, tumble, wumble. Yeah. Oh, what's Ferg doing with that? That poor thing, man. It takes it though, doesn't it?
I'm surprised.
Oh, don't kill it, dude. It's too nice.
It is.
Oh, what the hell we got over there? What is it? Oh, he's got Elmo on the X-Maxx. To the moon. Mitchell loves it. Oh. Ew. Elmo to the moon. Oh, nailed. That looks like a naughty word. Oh, that's got to be Martin. Here we go, X-Maxx and out top. Oh, no. Oh dear. Martin's got the X-Maxx, here we go. Oh! What happened?
It's too responsive with them batteries.
We got RC next Tuesday in the landing zone, getting the cool shots.
Hey, you got to put some fresh batteries. Nice!
He's even got a t-shirt on, hasn't he? Nice! Here comes Minimax. That green body looks pretty nice. Oh, muscle in the way. Martin's first go on the Outcast. No, I've got to do another video with it yet before I kill it.
Who reckons we should send it?
Maybe I can send it. Oh no, look, we got the boss over there. There's the boss. All right, Martin's gonna have a go on the track. See if he likes it. He's probably gonna end up buying one, I would have thought. Oh, Martin tumble one board. Oh, Martin killed it.
I'm a tough.
What have you done?
What happened?
Shock bottom.
Oh no! Game over! To be fair though, I did jump that flat out over there, so that might be why. If we look at this here, it's only a broken shock end, easy fix. So far it seems to be a great piece of kit. It drives really nice, it handles really nice, it looks absolutely stunning. The suspension arms are apparently a lot stronger now, and they are actually different. When you look at the Creighton, they haven't got that little bulge on here. The chassis braces still look perfectly straight, and the chassis, cheeky sod, put that on there. The chassis by eye looks to be perfectly straight. And if we get the old straight edge on there, nah, not perfect, but it's not bad. So these rapid lipos here did perform absolutely perfectly, but me being silly, I left the balance port flapping about, and it actually got jammed up inside the spur gear. So that whining that we heard earlier on was actually this being chewed up in there. Stupid me. So a lot of people online have been saying, what's going to be better, this or the X-Maxx? And I've got a brand spanking new X-Maxx here, so we can do a good comparison. But first thoughts, this is definitely a more stable platform. It doesn't roll over as easily, but the X-Maxx still seems a lot more nimble. It seems more lively. It seems to do the tricks better, the backflips and the stunts, and without properly testing them, I'm guessing the X-Maxx is still going to be the stronger car. It's going to take more of a beating. But that's just speculation. We're going to know more when we do a full comparison between these two cars, and that's going to be in the video soon. So make sure you subscribe and smash the bell so you don't miss it. But man, it really does look epic. And don't forget, if you want to know where you can get the car from and where you can get the batteries from that I use, there's going to be a link to all of that down below.